In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8S Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by accessing Recorder app and clicking on those three dots at the top right corner. Then click on Format Settings and adjust them however you want to. When you finished, click on this big button at the bottom to start recording. If you never used Recorder before, hit Allow. And if you see this kind of pop-up, you can select Do Not Remind Me Again or just tap on OK. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same big button. To add a bookmark, tap on this little icon of a flag on the left. And to add a photo one, click on camera icon also on the left. Then take a picture. To discard it, select this X at the bottom left corner and to add it on this check mark at the bottom right one. Finally, to end and save your recording, click on Done at the bottom right corner. Then name it however you want to and select Save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To adjust it, manage all of those options. And to delete it, go back, hold it, click on Delete at the bottom, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!